Ever wondered if your files are truly gone forever after you reset your computer? I sure did. My old Windows laptop was wiped clean and I honestly thought I'd lost a ton of important stuff. But here's the crazy part, I was actually able to bring some of it back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it, using a tool that seriously blew my mind, Wondershare Recoverit. If you have ever faced the nightmare of lost data, you're definitely going to want to see this. It's a game changer. Initially, I was super skeptical about recovering data from a reset laptop. I had a slight hope though, as fortunately I didn't use the laptop that much, as it would have resulted in overwriting the deleted files. I started by installing Wondershare Recoverit on my old laptop. I had this only one disk drive, a 256 GB one, and all the deleted data was in it. So I had to be careful not to overwrite any of the files in case the files are recovered. Here, I just selected the only option, that is the C drive, to start the scanning process. Initially, it started a quick scan, and after a minute or so, it already seemed to have recovered a lot of data, though I had still doubts whether these are system files or the files I needed. It continued with deep scanning, which will take a while. Meanwhile, I wanted to see whether the files present of the quick scan was of any use. I wasn't sure about the file location search, as all the data before was in this single drive, and these seemed to be totally unrelated to what I was looking for. Not sure why these are in this laptop. Checking if choosing file type will work. I was a bit hopeful here. Wanted few doc files, photo and video files which I needed from the old system. Dropping down the list further gets into different formats separated, which is quite handy. I was in particular looking for some assets which I had lost, few MP4 files and also some JPEGs and PSDs. I searched all these to see if there is anything which could be useful. Other than one or two, I didn't find a lot which I actually needed here. Was not a long time the deep scanning was completed. As you can see, after the full scan, there is about 80 GB data recoverable. Now, I went from one folder to other to see if there are any files which I wanted. I accidentally found a zip file which will come in quite handy, as it is some backed up data from my old Pixel phone. Will sure help in recovering files from that phone there. Now I had to select the file and click on recover or right click recover. And unfortunately, there was this message. I can't save the file on the same drive as the deleted files may be overwritten, and I may lose the files permanently. And one other thing to note is you need to recover these immediately, or there is a possibility of Windows cache files overwriting the recoverable files. Then I got this idea to see if connecting my external hard drive will work. After connecting, it showed up in the window and I was certainly relieved. I could recover the data to my external drive. It just took a few seconds to copy this to my external drive. So far though, I still couldn't find the files I needed. There is this file lost name option, which was my last resort to find the files. I had to search this manually. So I selected relevant formats in subcategories and tried recovering all at a time. Then went through these files each and finally found the assets I thought were completely lost. I was still surprised to see files can be recoverable from a reset system, though me not using the laptop much after the reset certainly helped in recovering the files. I have found Wondershare Recoverit actually work in recovering files from corrupted drives too, USB, SD card, and now on reset systems. I will leave the link for Wondershare Recoverit in the description if you want to try it out yourselves. First of all, you can scan your device for free. No upfront purchase required. This means you can see if your files are actually recoverable before spending a dime. That's huge. So there you have it, a real digital lifesaver in action. Hope you found this video useful. See you soon in my next. Thanks for watching.